Do 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 do. Right, I just put this. Do 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 do. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so just need to get zoom on and everything, and then we should be good. Do 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 do. Okay, 1 second. Wrong date and title, yeah, I know. 1 second, I'm on some issues here. 1 second. Working on the fucking max hard. Right, where's this? Right, let's just get this off. Here we go. Let's take a look at here. Where's that one gone? Oh, there. This OBS and Mac is hard, boy. Where the fuck is that? There we go. There we go. Can have it a bit like this. Cool. Right, lock. And I mean, this is a little bit bigger. That. Lock. Okay, so yeah, let me just check this stream again. Check everything's okay. I've put the chat somewhere as well. I don't know where the fuck I've put it, so that's great. But anyway, I'll actually just check on my phone how this is looking. Stream again. Check everything's okay. I've put the chat somewhere. Okay, cool. Just need to get Zoom sorted now, and then we'll be up and ready. So let me just do that now. Yeah, that was a fucking fanny on today, goddamn. But getting used to using it, and then I'll be much better. What the fuck is that click? What is it wanting from me? What's it do? Zoom? Yeah. Righty ho. So yeah, I'm just back at home, so I had to bring my Mac in now. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, cool. So there we go. Let's whack this in. Cool, wicked. So there we go. I should actually have this kind of closed up here, I think. Let me just check again. Yeah, we're all looking cool. Morning, morning, Tommy boy. Morning, morning. So, yeah, I'll just put this on so I can see the chat. Let chat. Okay. Stream is so laggy. Okay, well, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see what the score is a bit later on. Music is too loud. Okay. I think it might just be set as too loud, maybe on OBS. What up, what up, what up, everyone? Yeah, this is kind of annoying, but anyway. Yeah, I know the title's different. I can't fucking change it because OBS is being retarded. It's not really connecting to that. It's kind of do it through the app, so the only way I can change it is in here. 1 second. Let's see where I could put it. I don't know why it's asking. I don't know why it keeps making this fucking noise, but anyway. Okay, I'm just going to leave it alone. Okay, so welcome everyone. So great. Let me just put this down here. And yeah, welcome, welcome. So in terms of trades and all that kind of stuff, we'll have a look in a second. We're looking like Goldie's made the lower wick, which is good. Quite happy with that. And yeah, in terms of news as well, this week is going to be much better. So that's good. Pretty happy with that. So yeah, let me just take a look. Just making sure everything's okay. Okay, so yeah, in terms of news today, we're actually not too bad. Not too bad. I've got a lot of Euro news, actually, a lot of US later on. In terms of today for us, for GJ and for gold in our time, it's actually not too bad. So that is pretty nice. US at 8 PM and stuff coming out, so that is okay. So yeah, let's just take a look at Goldie then, because I want to see if there's a 5-minute trend line for the start of this morning. How can I make this look nice? How did I make the tab look nicer? Anyway, wait, you can't unmute. Oh wait, 1 second. There you go.
That's better, motherfucker.
That's better. How was your weekend, Philly boy? I saw you at somewhere again, some festival, something.
Kings of Leon, we were at.
Kings of Leon?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, it was sick.
Was it? Fuck, I don't like that.
It was real good. What did you do?
I went and saw Chasing Status, like a drum and bass thing. That's quite good. It's quite good.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
Look out.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. Let's take a look then. So yeah, this lower wick. Oh man, if this reflips, this is gonna be nice up here. I'm not gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. Let me just put this on there. So I'm getting better with this Mac. I'm still getting used to the fucking thing, but eventually I'll be able to just stack this somewhere, put an Ethernet cable in, and it'll be pretty good. So yeah. In terms of Goldie right now, then, so the 4-hour obviously closed bearish. The daily's making the lower wick. All good stuff for the morning. Asian sessions been ranging pretty hard, so that's good. I kind of like how the Asian sessions ranged pretty hard as well. The only issue with it is that the 5-minute trend line isn't a trend line. Like, there's no trend line here. It's just a it's just the trend is sideways, right? So if you do like that, it's like, yeah, but it's literally the trend is sideways, unfortunately. But that's okay. Taking a look then at the 15-minute then. We have obviously Asian highs, which is right here, 1675. So above there is actually not bad at all, to be honest with you, to continue bullish. So hopefully we can get a closure above there, maybe 5-minute trend line. And then as Luco did this morning, we have a support there, 1670. And yeah, I actually think, to be honest with you, let's just see if there's any like things that maybe attract in price below. And we'll just check that out. So yeah, I mean, we had a wick down. But the next real support is 1662. So that zone below is actually not too bad. And obviously, you know, this was news, so we could correct the news, right, like the whole way if we really wanted it to. So yeah, keep an open mind. We are ranging right now, but because we're up so early, we'll probably get the move either downwards or upwards. But I do think the buys would be nice, because if we get into a buy like here and we get past this 1681, my God, it's gonna be flying. Is the music still too loud, guys, or should I just sack it off? So yeah, in terms of OBs and stuff, let's just take a look on the lower time frames and everything. See if there's any. Take a look at the 5-minute. So yeah, there's one there, and that was obviously with the news. So that could be a little price target for sells, maybe. Yeah, this week I'm gonna write some. I'm gonna write this as like a point of interest and stuff like that. I'm gonna make the colors making it a bit more easier to see like what I'm looking at. So here's like a little OB that we could potentially come and tap for maybe buys later on. That could be interesting for sure. And in terms of that, obviously when we get there, my God, the swing could be quite nice. Below there as well, let's take a look then. Obviously this is all news. So yeah, another news. We could push all the way back down to 1648 if you really wanted to. You're in a new place? Yeah, I'm just back at home. Yeah, I had a little Newcastle event. So yeah, let's just write this on. I think buys above here would be pretty clean as long as we get a nice closure. So let's just write this on. Let's write this on. Oh yeah, Finn. I was watching Michael McIntyre talk about the Australian accent. I get it now. You guys extend the vowels. Extend the vowels, mate. I never really knew how it came about, but it's just the vowel. When a vowel comes in, you always extend that shit. Okay, let's just do this. So, where the fuck is it gone? Oh, it's on the rectangle, that's why. Okay. Here we go, here we go. Buys above 1675.4. Beautiful. Maybe the biggest font. I'll do it smaller a little bit. TradingView give error for Oanda gold quote. Careful, they said it's delayed. Ah, shit, okay. Really? Let's take a look. It's delayed. Okay. Interesting. I wonder why it's delayed in the morning. Okay. Let's take a look then on MetaTrader. Ah, no, it's the same on MetaTrader. I think it's okay for the time being. Yeah, it's the same on my MetaTrader, so that is good. So yeah, buys above, sells below. Maybe we'll have to see. Let's take a look at the zone. Yeah, it's 60 pips, so we'll have to see as well for the sells below. Could be okay. In terms of a sell trend line, let's take a look. Yeah, it's kind of been holding one, but it is just right at that support, isn't it? So I'm probably just going to wait for a closure below here. A closure above there. I think that'll be the most realistic. Because obviously right now it looks like there isn't much volume, so I don't really want to be getting into a gold trade when there's hell and there's no volume to start off with. So we'll wait for that. Delay only on Oanda. Interesting. So yeah, we'll wait for that. Let's take a look at GJ then. GJ had a big move down the last couple of days. So yeah, we'll have to see. So the weekly time frame, how have we started? Yeah, already making a top wick. It's good. Let's take a look at the daily then. So daily gapped a little bit, I think. Daily gapped a little bit. So yeah, the daily level line isn't going to be the most accurate today because it kind of gapped. 4 hour time frame clearly been retracing a little bit. 4 hours got no top wick right now from the current one. Okay, let's just do that. Take a look at the hourly and the 30-minute. Get into the lower time frame. Start to see that there is a resistance here. Wow, look at that gap. Pretty big gap. We've already filled it through Asian session. We can see here to the left hand side that we've got a resistance there, 167. Okay, obviously the distance between there and there is only like 12 pips, and that is the main resistance. So buys above there would actually be quite nice, and we could potentially continue higher, maybe back up to 167,644. I think that could be pretty nice. I think I'd like that. In terms of an OB, there's probably one there. So that'd be a nice little target to get to, maybe to take a sell as well, if we fancy it. But yeah, 100% above 167, 110 as well. And it'll be above 167 as well. So can you draw a trend line on GJ? It's not really how I trade GJ, but we could do. We can have a look. Haven't back tested it though, so I wouldn't really know what to look for, you know. Always got to back test it before you go ahead. But we can still put one on and see how it works through the day. So yeah, buys with there would be beautiful. That'd be gorgeous for later on, I think. And then yeah, we could maybe continue back up to 167, 600. In terms of sells, yeah, sells are a little bit choppy, right? Below is pretty crap. 30-minute time frame, support and resistance there. It's very, very key level at 166, 140. In terms of right now, let's take a look at the 5-minute. Yeah, it's looking like it's a little bit rangy. Yeah, so looking like Asian session. I mean, Asian session on GJ pushed up a little bit, but for the most part, it wasn't the biggest session. So normally suggest that we have a bit of a better session. So yeah. Wow, people are getting up early this morning, eh? So now I think America's gone back now, so the charts should be a little bit more easy to understand. So yeah, let's take a look from the top as well on gold. Okay, that might have came and retested actually. Oh no, it didn't really. But I do think, man, I mean, above 1681, I think I said this last night, like, if we do come above it, obviously we've got the rejection here, so if we don't come back up to it, then we may still continue down. But if we reflip this daily candle, man, we could be good to continue bullish, really. We've got a lot of nice levels, a lot of nice gaps. There's a gap there, so yeah, it could be quite nice to get a nice little push. America, USA, USA. America, fuck yeah. Trading view given error. So yeah, I'll keep an eye on this little error thing that people are saying on gold. But right now there isn't much to go on off with anyway. There's no real volume, so we gotta wait a little longer. But for the most part, just getting up early, getting the gold trend line on if there is one. Does London time go back? No, we've already done that. Yeah, we did that like last week. Oh yeah. You get a drink. Hello, morning, Tyler, morning. We'll take a look at EJ as well. Good morning. Yeah, looking at EJ's kind of retraced up a little bit as well. If you look at the daily time frame, Obviously, there's quite a lot of Euro news today, but let's just go through it. So, EJ is bullish right now. Great stuff. 4-hour time frame also closed very, very strongly bullish. The next one's opened up. 4-hour time frame is bearish, but obviously it's only just making the lower wick. Take a look at the lower time frames. Yeah, starting kind of to show me the same thing again, looking like it's a bit of a range. Obviously we had resistance there, so that could be a level that I could attract back to. In terms of the left hand side, yeah, let's look at the 30-minute. Yeah, there's a lot of traffic to the left as well in terms of price action. There's a lot of levels we can come and tap, but yeah, I mean, maybe back up to there. 146,540 would be reasonable, but there's also resistance there, so yeah, it's not really the nicest area as well on EJ. So yeah, we just gotta wait until we get to price there, and we could be good. Yo, Max, check the 4-hour on GJ. Okay. Yeah, 4-hour closed above. Got no top wick right now, so yeah, interesting. 4-hour looks good to continue bullish. However, the lower time frames do not see that. Hourly time frame ranging pretty hard. Can you see? So nothing really to yet. Doo-doo. When you have a minute, would you mind explaining how you go about backtesting? Do you go back a year and backtest till you get back to the current date, or do you do a random date? Just pick a month. I just pick a random month, and I use that software FOREX to do it. But yeah, just pick a random month. Random month. At the moment on the G drive, I'm just trying to fill every month up, to be honest. Just do it every single one. So like last time we did GJ on February, and that shit was quite hard. It was quite boring for like half of it. A lot of ranges. Even the daily time frames are ranging pretty hard. Yeah, I'll try and show you where it was. Let's take a look. Yeah, it was all this here. Just like no real direction, kind of just sitting there. Why camera looks so different today? Because it's on my Mac. Yeah. It's a little portable stream today, but at least it's working. It's working pretty well. Also, I don't even have an Ethernet cable in it as well, so it should be lagging a little bit as well because the Wi-Fi is not the best here. But it'll do. So 4-hour time frame is about to flip on GJ. Hourly's made the lower wick, reflipping. Yeah, 15 minutes pulled up there. 5 minutes looks like it's having a bit of volume. Interesting. So yeah, we'll see if we can get this push up. Obviously, we still have a big level to break, which is 167. But looking good, man. The hourly's flipping right now. 4-hour looks good as well with the closures. But the left hand side before that is a little bit shady over here. It's not the nicest yet, anyway. Look like this gold is coming down as well, so we'll have to see for there. Filling up nicely already this morning. 22 people in the chat. How many people in YouTube? 115 or something? Nice. For only 6 AM. Whew. So there we go. GJ's flipped. Flip the switch. The only issue with getting in a little bit early here is just if it doesn't bring you the volume. It's obviously done the flip, which is good, but it's still a little bit too early, especially for GJ. Gold's normally okay at this time, but GJ in the morning like this early could be a little bit slow. And the spreads, I wonder what the spreads are like today, because spreads on GJ recently have been pretty shit, like 1.2, 1.4, it's nice fucking 1.7 pips, like, oh my god. New stream template? Nah, it's just a one that I made in about 0.05 seconds, just for the Mac. Le Mac. Okay, so good stuff. Let's push in. Get past that area, boy. In terms of levels to react off on GG, yeah, there's so many above. And below, Asian session was a little bit shady, to be honest with you. I quite like that candle before that push. The retest was kind of nice too. That was pretty good. And yeah, I hope everyone had a really good weekend. It was obviously, what's it called? Bonfire night. I didn't really see that many fireworks really here. I heard in Leeds it was fucking mad. Hyde Park, they're like firing fireworks off people playing some Harry Potter games. So yeah, in terms of this daily, you can see it's such a very strong closure. Obviously, it was with a bit of news. We've got to take that into account. It can just retrace, but man, it's got a good little stepping stone there with the daily closing above all of that. It just makes the lower wick and then flips. Oh, some nice buys later on, eh? But right now, looking like it's nothing much that we can deal with right now. Just got a 50-minute bearish closure, but as you can see, the volume ain't here yet. So we gotta wait. We gotta wait. But yeah, in terms of actual last week, the news trades that we took, there was actually quite a lot of them, to be honest. On Fridays, just for people who weren't here, I took a sell here on the news candle. Stop loss was like around about there. And I saw it get to like around about 25, 26 pips, which closed. But in the meantime, whilst I closed, it retraced like fucking 5 pips. But anyway, that was a nice little news trade. And then later on, the flip was quite good. I also took a sell here on an OB, which is like there. 6.5, wasn't it there? Took a sell there, stop loss was like 69, it's like 27 pips. I closed 2 of my positions at 25. And then one of them had it break even just in case it wanted to launch and it could not. So that was nice as well. And then the other news trade in the week I took was the GJ one, which is on Thursday at this level. Yeah, I took a sell here. Break of that low, stop loss just in the zone like here, 22 pip stop, and I closed it around about 40 pips there. So that was pretty good. So overall the news trades last week made me some money, so that was good. That was good. I always risked 0.25% on this. Like I got 40 pips, so I made 1%. That was pretty good. 1%, this one made, well, this one was 0.25 as well. Because it's an OB I'm just playing with, got 0.25 there. That one there, I didn't even get much there. I got like 0.125 or something. So, but overall there, like nearly like a 1.5% for the news ones. Pretty fun. So yeah. Looks like maybe, I mean, today, looking like at the moment right now, hopefully we can't jinx it, but maybe a day where it just relaxes a little bit. Because if you take a look at last week, my God, we went so much. We flew so much. So it wouldn't surprise me if maybe at the start of this week you have a little bit of a slower week in terms of just where we're going to move. Make sure you like the stream, guys, if you haven't already. I know it says 4th of November, but I can't be asked to change it. You know the score. Wow, so many people get up early, man. Jeez. Ready for the grind, 6:20. Yeah, I've realized what to do to just get up early is just to not fucking look at the charts in bed, just get out. Because you'll look and you go, look like to be quite nice as well. How come you trade news now? You were so against it? Nah, I wasn't so against it. It's just if you change your week into like a bad week doing it, but as long as you know what you're doing, in terms of managing it and not, like for example, if mine goes at the moment. So yeah, man, 39 minutes left. I think if we get an hourly closure below the Asian lows or the Asian highs, it's going to be pretty good to identify which way it's going to go. There's a little minus trend line there. A little tiny one. Little tiny one, but it's kind of, you know, it's, as I said before, it's just ranging. Might not be able to squeeze something out there. Didn't even have 10 pips yet. My God. Is it an open delayed 1 hour? Let's find out. London Open. London Open House? Nope. Wait, I'll just do London, because you know that London Open's 8 o'clock, right? London time now. 6:21, so it's in an hour and 45. Hour and 40 minutes. So then you can work out if it's changed or not. Ooh, look at that gold. Look at that GJ just going hell no. He was not happy with that. He was not happy with that at all. Oh, it does that delayed streaming issues on the exchange end. Interesting. So let's take a look at what else news we have this week. So today, obviously, we have Euro stuff at like 8:30, 9:30. It's okay. Why are you looking for some sales below 166,700? 166,700. Yeah, below that support. It could be okay. Let's look at the 30-minute. I think maybe a little bit premature. It's hard. It's annoying with this fucking gap there. I'm not gonna lie, but I mean, yeah, it's current support. Might be able to get back down that level there. GJ in the morning is pure pain. Yeah. Oh yes. For the time being, anyway. Look at EJ pushing up. Very nice. I mean, in terms of the 4 hour, it's hard to find it. You'd want the sells, really. It's holding a level. Can you see as well that it's holding a level, like, on support? Which it held before, so it's also at 750 level, so. Max, but you're lagging very hard. Seems like the Mac is slow. Nah, it's not that. It's just the Wi-Fi. I don't have an Ethernet in, so. The Wi-Fi in this gaff's shit anyway, because the gaff's Wi-Fi is far away from here, but yeah, I'll get an Ethernet cable for the next time, because the Mac doesn't have all Ethernet port. You have to buy the fucking dongles, don't you? Which is rather annoying. Rather annoying. So looking like GJ Goldie's trickling down a little bit. In terms of the gaps, though, I mean, on the hourly time frame, let's take a look at the 30 as well. 30's got no gaps, actually. They've all been filled, apart from this one here. Let's look at the 15 as well. Yeah, there's quite a lot of gaps here. And that'll be below that OB, so that'll be quite nice to do. Maybe later on. Let's take a look then how big this gap is. 22 pips, that's not bad at all. That's not bad. How long did it take you to become patient enough to wait for the right setup? Well, it took me quite a long time because I didn't have any guidance, but when I started to watch Raja, I kind of just realized, oh yeah, I could just wait a little bit longer and get a nice trade and then leave it. So it took me probably about 2 years to find Raja, and then after like the first, I don't know, month, 2 months, I was like, oh yeah, I can just sit and wait a little longer. So not too long really. Not too long when someone every day shows you why. which is why the live streams and stuff were so important for me. So they helped out a lot. Yeah, they helped out pretty good. So looking like Goldie's trickling down, coming towards that support, nearly breaking the previous 4-hour lows. Interesting. You on about Roger Banks, bro? Yes. Yeah. So yeah, we're ready. 22 pips to get to the wick fill. That is fine. To be honest with you, I don't know if I'm happy with the sells. We'll see. I'm still kind of like the buys later on, but I mean, we could get to 1664 first, then take buys maybe. Yeah, so it's a little bit of a, on the 5-minute time frame it has retraced, but it pushed down quite far anyway. So we'll see. Let's take a look at GJ now. Look at that rejection from the Asian highs. Oh. Rejection. Yeah, the hourly time frames broke the previous low. The 4-hour though, the 4-hour looks good. The 4-hour still looks good for buys, I think. If it broke the previous low, that'll be much better for the sells. For the sells. So a minute left for this 15 to close. Still not below the support yet, but the zone below is pretty big as well, especially when it comes back down to that OB. We've got like 60 pips, so there's no rush really. There's no rush. With the setups, it looks like we're going to start this morning bearish. Maybe. I don't know about GJ. I don't know. I think as long as this breaks above 166, like kind of this level, 166.850, it should theoretically continue. Look at the 50-minute low wicks again. It just needs that volume to push it up. Getting past the Asian highs will be good as well. That'd be pretty good. Let me take a look. This room is so fucking cold. So yeah, we'll see if this, because obviously 1670 can be quite a big psychological level as well. So see how it reacts to 1670. Oh, Tommy boy, what did you get here? Very nice. Entry on the retest. Oh, that was good. What time frame is that on? 5-minute time frame. When was this at? When the fuck did this happen, Tom? 5:48? I know. That was after it. Ah, it was like up here. Where do you have the trend line on? Like here? Yeah, like that. Like that. Yeah, nice. Squeezed it out. Where's your clock, bro? Bro, this is just my little MacBook setup. It's not going to be the big setup. I got to transfer all that shit, and I accidentally closed my computer up, so I couldn't go get the files, but I'll sort it out. All you got to do is look at the time by typing in on Google London time now, and that's my time. Are you not in the UK? No, I am. I'm just up north. Up north. Let's take a look then. What was I going to say there? Do you still trade AUD JPY? Hell no. Hell to the no, no, no. Hell no. It was just quite slow. It just kind of pots around. It's kind of the same as EJ here, really. Sometimes it's a little bit slow. But in terms of EJ now, wowza. Strong closure above Asian highs. If you look at the 4-hour time frame, 4 hours broken previous highs as well. How big are stops below previous? Oh my god, only like 8 pips. Interesting. The only issue is obviously the left hand side, the clear resistance zone. So if you go right, well maybe I'll try and get like from the high to the levels. It's only like 6 pips until the res. It's not even worth it. The zone's tiny. It's a nice low wick though, so risk it for a chocolate biscuit, but it's not a big zone. Not the biggest zone. So yeah, we'll look 11 minutes left for the next 15, see how that closes below. And then maybe the sells. Breaking the 4-hour lows nearly. It's obviously going to be tapping 1670 very soon. See how it reacts to there. But yeah, the zone below is big enough for me to just chill out and get in too early. How long does it take on average to backtest a month of data? I don't know, like 2 hours or some shit. If you know what if you're doing if you know your own strategy, like the strategy you're trying to test, then it's very quick. It doesn't take too long. Like the simulations that we do as a group, like I'd say 3 simulations does the whole month, so 3 hours. Yeah, and that's me explaining everything. If you're just doing it by yourself, it'll take you like not even half that time. But yeah, normally like 3 hours for the group to do like a month of like one strategy. Man, this GJ playing with people's lives over here. At the moment, anyway. So looking like it's reacted off it. It's obviously Asian lows as well, so it is a big support. So I think, if I wanted to get into a trade down here, I'm gonna want. 1 second. I'm gonna want like a pretty decent closure below, like that. And hopefully like a nice top wick and then a flip and then a. That's what I want. Your gold chart looks way different. Mine's on Oanda and I think they've had some issues, but I think it looks better. I think it's better now. Yeah, the market open, so I don't know which one you're looking at, but it could be just a different provider. Yeah, 177 people already. Make sure you like the stream, guys. Run up the likes, run up the likes. So yeah, I mean, also in GJ was sitting right on 750. It likes to sort of mess around on 750 for a while. But yeah, I mean, the hourly time frames, clear range, bullish, bearish, clearly no idea where it wants to go, so you just gotta wait a little longer. Don't be too aggressive in markets where it just gives you a range, because it's not going to be the best. it's not going to be the best. Oh, did you see that WWE with Logan Paul? I think it was quite good. I enjoyed it. That fucking George, Janko, and Mike on it as well. Let's take a look then on this level. Yeah, it's reacted straight off it. That's okay. In terms of a 5-minute trend line, still, can I find one? I think it's just hard, man. It's just one break, so it's just a resistance, and I gotta wait for it to break either above or below. But one way or another, it's gonna be looking pretty good. I'll put this on here. Let's put this on. Sells below 1670.36. Very nice. So EJ flipped. Very, very nice. Take a look at the 5-minute. Where was the retest entry? Might not have got that too far, but good. Let's take a look then. So got the flip now. Should push up. So if you got in there, so that's a good low wick. Low volume state and lower music vibes. I think someone says it's too loud, so. But anyway. So that's what you'd probably do. I mean, the only issue is obviously, as I said, the left hand side is not. You know, if you drew every single support and resistance or level that it's rejected, you'll have like something like this. I mean, there's so many levels there. So when you look to the right now, you go, should I have really taken that? For me, it's a no. Let's see if we can get it there. But I'm glad that we're holding this support on Goldie, because if we do get the break, then it's going to be a pretty easy move down, back down to 1664. And then might take a cheeky buy there as well. Maybe. Maybe a cheeky buy. I like how I can connect my mouse to it as well. I've got like the Logitech mouse on. It's sick. I'm much better than the trackpad. I fucking hate that trackpad. Pain in the ass. It takes so long to move it around the screen. Much better like this. So coming up towards 640. Still nothing much yet. But it's the thing, man. I always, like, you know, it's so true. You just got to get up every morning, and there will be some good mornings. Just sometimes it can be a little bit slower like today. But that's okay. There's no better feeling than a morning trade, I tell you that. Oh. Yeah, it's much better. Let's take a look. Yeah, I just need this GJ to break, boy. Just break it. Break it some way or another. In terms of the higher times, look at the 4 hour here. It does look like price can just be, you know, break and retest to continue back down. Yeah, it's probably the best. For 2 hours already, oh my god. You're up at 4:45? Shit. My eyes are burning watching pure shit price action. It's great. I mean, I tell you, it's because I'm getting up early, that's why. You'll get there, I'll get there. There'll be one at least this week. And it'll be the one that you don't turn up to that the gold trend line's there. And you're like, God dang it. No. The reason why also this week I kind of want to do it is because obviously that daily's closed above. And if Asian session, like, sorry, if Asian session relaxes, like, and makes the lower wick, then you might be in the morning, like at 5:45, might get the sniper entry that fucking runs like 200 pips because you're getting in so low. So that's why it's like, ooh, it could be quite important. I could not sleep last night. I don't know what the fuck was going on, but I could not sleep. It was the first time in the weekend that I actually slept on a bed as well. I slept on like a fucking beanbag for the last 2 nights, so I don't know why I was struggling to sleep. Oh, look at Ted posting things about crypto again. Oh, no, no, no. People aren't being able to withdraw again. Yeah, I was fucking hot, man. I don't even know why, 'cause it's freezing. There we go, there's EJ rejecting. Full moon. It's the full moon. Oh my god, have you seen the Premier League, man? Oh my god, yes. Newcastle, we're fucking smashing it. We're fucking third. We've only lost 1 game. Look at that. My god. What about gold entry on the 30-minute flip? Gold entry on the 30-minute flip. Hell no. 30-minute flip here for a sell. Well, it's still got support, man, so are you just going to suggest that it might break it? Well, it might do, but it might not as well. You need a closure below to confirm it's going to break. Yeah, that's not too bad, Andrea. Yeah, man, like, look at that. And, like, the good thing now is, like, the actual games we're playing, look, we're beating them like, a lot now. Look, 4-1, 4-0. 5-1, 4-1. Like, we're actually getting more goals now, which is good. Which is pretty good. What's our next game? Let's take a look. EFL 3rd round. Oh, we've got Chelsea. That'd be an interesting one. Going Emirates on Wednesday. Oh, nice. Who do you think will win the World Cup? I don't actually know. I haven't really looked too much into it. I'm not really too asked about the World Cup, to be honest with you. I prefer Premier Leagues and stuff. Probably France. I think France are going to win, probably. I think France are going to win. Baby. It'd be mad to get Argentina and Portugal though in. That would be pretty sick. That would be pretty cool. So yeah, 50-minute close, bullish, still holding the support. That's fine. Just got to wait a little longer. Got to wait a little longer. 45 likes already. Amazing work, guys. And yeah, I'll be back in the proper setup tomorrow, so don't you worry about that. Yeah, so today, I think either today or tomorrow, I'll bring out the homework, and then obviously I'm gonna write the timetable for this week today. And yeah, 166 people already. Jeez. But yeah, man, getting up early, it does make such a difference because you can mark the charts up so much earlier and just really. What I've been realizing is that if I get there at like 6:45, 7, that's normally when the trade should be like getting taken. And obviously you're just, you need to wake up, you need to like analyze and stuff, so. Hate this World Cup, man, right in the middle of the season, yeah. People all getting aggy about Saudi Arabia and stuff. It's Lord have mercy. I don't know. They're saying like if you're gay, should you go or not? It's like, well, probably not. But as time goes on, things will get better. But forcing a country to change is not going to help. Let them realize that it's actually probably stunting their growth, and then they'll probably leave it alone. My dad always said that. He says back in the day, if people, if you go back into the day where there was a king and he owned, a country, and someone came over and says, you need to change your ways, you're doing this bad, like the king would just like, fuck off. But as time goes on, the king realizes that in his own, situations, that actually it's probably not the best way to go forward. So they'll end up, sacking it all off when they realize themselves. But if they get people forcing them to change, they're probably less likely going to do it. So you just got to take it how it is. And especially a country like that, they don't need to have any funds from anywhere else. They've got fucking oil coming out of their asses. They don't need to, cock guzzle the West. So they won't do that until needs be later on. Got too much oil right now. Because there is more volume pre-London now? Yeah. What do you think of GJ? GJ is ranging pretty hard right now. But, I mean, maybe a break above 167, 100 would be good to continue bullish to 640. That zone above is nice. But right now, it is just ranging. Oh, yeah. They would never change as it's a Muslim country. Yeah, I don't know, but they wouldn't. They probably realize that it's not going to affect them really, realistically. People coming over who are. But I think they've already said that. They've already said like, oh yeah, we don't want your mind. Just as long as it's not like getting obvious in public. There's a little trend line there as well. Let's take a look. A little bit too shallow. What's this? Iceland? Iceland. If there's one place that will never change, then it's North Korea. Yeah, 100%. North Korea. Yeah, we'll have to see with these. Have we broken the previous low yet? No, we haven't. We haven't broken the previous 4-hour low yet, but we've been very, very close to. Which would also be breaking Asian lows as well. So that would be quite interesting if you do get there. That would be quite interesting. Also, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. Have you been to the States before? Yes. Been to New York, California, LA, that kind of thing. So 4-hour making the lower wick again, but obviously it's clearly on the the hourly time frame. It's still messing around there. Let's take a look. Actually, I want to check spreads. What are the spreads on GJ? Ooh, 2 pips. What the fuck? That is nasty. Gold's good though, 0.9. Yeah, GJ spreads are a little bit shit recently. I think IC markets have changed them to make gold spreads nicer. How would you say it compares to the UK? Yeah, it's good. I mean, it's pretty similar. They just have guns, and they're a bit more. What's it called? They like their country, whereas the UK, not many people do. They're like America, whereas it is like, yeah, fuck that, I don't really care. But it's good. I like it. My spread on gold is 2 pips. Is that okay? It's alright. I wouldn't say it's the best. How much are you paying for commission as well? 0 commission? Nah, it's okay. But there is a zero. I would recommend, I think, Blueberry Markets. I think they've got zero commissions and they've got quite tight spreads. I'm pretty sure. A lot of people in the group have used them, so yeah. Yeah, spread on gold right now is 1 pip. 1.3. And then zero commissions as well, so that's pretty good. That's pretty good. I might try that out in the new year, to be honest. Might try it out. Wonder where Manuel is today. I think he's asleep. He's too tired. Okay, 50 minutes flipped. Looking like GJ might be pushing down here. If it gets past these levels. Look at the 5-minute time frames there. My God. Nasty. Yeah, every single day I get at least maybe 2 or 3 brokers trying to go, oh, Max, we'll pay you money to advertise on stream. We go, okay, let me see what it is. And it's just so shit. There's like a one that wants me to do it for like funded accounts, and their profit share is 50%. I'm like, I can't fucking advertise something like that, mate. I'm sorry. Hell no. They're like, we'll pay you 500, 600 pound a month, mate. It's not even fucking worth that shit. Just for people who are literally, they'll be like, well, why would I use that one instead of like FTM? I was like, yeah, good point. Good point. So yeah, I mean, I really want it to break that low now, but still holding the support, which is great. It's gonna go one way or another. We just gotta wait for the furthermore. This for me is probably gonna be a no trade zone now. There's nothing in there that I really want to see at the moment, anyway. So looking like GJ's reflipped, pushed down, very nice. I don't know, I'm still. What is the oil protests about? This just climate change and stuff. EJ soup, ooh. Yeah, 5 minutes left. 4 hours reflipping again. Also holding that 4-hour res. Looks good. The only issue is the left the zone it's coming into isn't the nicest. Kind of wiki. Not really the best. Check GJ. Yeah, it's still nothing that I like right now. But if this pushes further, great. Get down, boy. Get down. If GJ breaks this low, we can sell. Yeah, looks good. So the 4-hour time frame is coming down. Nearly breaking the previous low. Hourly's breaking all of the wicks to the left, which is good. Finally, some volume coming in. 4 or 5 minutes left for this 15-minute close. See how that closes. The only cause of concern is the zone below isn't really it's okay. Is it? You know, it's not really that's actually not bad in terms of the zone length as well. 25 pips. It's not too bad. I just don't know if I trust these cells yet. Looking like a bit of an M formation on the 30-minute as well, so that could be interesting. $15-minute closed bearish below, so nice retracement now. So people are getting in early. There we go. That'll be it. So you might have, you could have got in there. 5-minute close bearish below retest. Could you put the stop loss in the previous 15? Yeah, that's for like impulses. I think that could be decent. Because retest the left hand side there after the closure. Nice push. So here you'd be up 7 pips or so. Go break even. That was a little snipe. Have you ever used the super trend indicator? No. See how that continues? 3 minutes left for this candle closure. If it closes strongly down, the retest could be quite nice later on as well, because the M formation will be nice. Nice top wick, so we'll see, we'll see. Also 3 minutes left for this 30 as well to close, so that could be nice. So Paulie had a little 5 minute trend line break, looks like it. It wasn't really on the wick though, but I can see it. I mean, the stop was very small, holy shit. Yeah, Paulie, I'd just say remember to put it on like the wicks, I think, because one there, like at the bottom there, it's not on anything, it's just in La La Land. But if you could put it on the wick to the left, then that would make a little bit more sense, I'd say. Yeah.
Thanks, Max.
So good, brother. How was your weekend?
Yeah, it was good, man. It was alright, actually.
Good stuff.
Nothing crazy. Went out for a good burger on Saturday.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I do like a good burger.
I do like a good burger as well. Oh, yes. So look at that on GJ. Wow, retraced all the way back up. But that's how you could have got it. Yeah, 7 pips in profit, great. But that zone's a little bit harder than I think people are going to realize. The left hand side's a little bit tough. 5 minutes coming back up. Still look at Goldie. Goldie's looking decent. Got a nice top wick from the 4-hour flip as well, which is great. Gold is preparing for a move, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. To come all the way back down to this OB would be 916.64.2. So yeah, we'll see how this closes in 38 seconds or so. 30-minute timer is also going to close, so maybe it's not ready yet, but it does look pretty good, man. Just going to write my TPs there. My TP2. TP1 will be probably to fill that wick. Just writing them on so they're ready there, just in case we get down. So the reason why I have it marked TP2 on this OB is because this is an area that people like taking buys off. So when we tap into that level, we could easily reject. So that's perfect having a TP. $50-minute closed, great. Look at the 5-minute. Pretty bearish. 30-minute closed doji, rejecting. I mean, if you wanted an impulse trade, the break of that low isn't actually going to be too bad because you're breaking the previous 4-hour low, previous hourly low as well, previous 30-minute low. So if you want an impulse trade, break of the low here could be interesting. Where are you, Max? I'm in Newcastle. Let me just fin this out a little bit. So obviously 30-minute time and close, making a little top wick, see if it's still holding the support. 1 hour close below support. Let's take a look. Yep, sure did. So I think a potential. Oh, we're just gonna fucking rock. I was gonna get into that fucking hourly low there. Fucking did it straight away. I might try and get into a trade here in a second. 1 sec. Wow, that fucking shot down, eh? So broke the lows. Oh my god. I'm just thinking, so stop loss above would be... it's not even that bad. It's 20 pips. Some big volume coming in now, which is good. Let's take a look at GJ here. GJ's wicked up as well. Interesting. Wowza. Look at that. The minute time frame. Look at that minute candle. Fuck. Do you know what? I'm going to get in here, guys. Okay, so... let's take a look. 72.4. So, I actually think we're going to break this zone over here. There's a lot of volume coming in. Even though it's not a closure, I'm pretty happy and comfortable with the stops above for around about 20 pips. So yeah.
Recording in progress.
Recording in progress. Okay, so pushing down over here. Obviously, we're breaking the lows, which is great stuff. Good rejection as well, so we'll see. Because you broke the previous hourly lows, broke the previous 4-hour lows, rejecting the high and the 4-hour flip. So yeah. Do 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 do. Looking good, looking good. Looking good, looking good, looking good. So, yeah. Wait a little bit longer over here, and then I'll probably go break even when we start pushing down a little bit further. And yeah. Okay, guys, so we're coming towards around about around about 9-10 pips of profit. So I'm gonna go break even right now, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna go break even here. And the reason why I'm also gonna go break even is because we are actually at 116.70, right? So 16.70, that's great. Now I just want this to continue down. 16.70 obviously could be a psychological level that it could react off. So yeah, we'll see. Obviously risk-free trade though now, so that's great. And if it pushes, great. If not, I've got a beautiful risk-managed trade. My entry is a 4.8 there, yeah. See if it can hold on. Word, hold on. But obviously, if it's at a psychological level, 16.70, I don't want to be holding my full stops at that level where we could react off it. I think the zone below is good, But I also got to remember the psychological level, right? World, hold on. There's a children of the sun. So yeah, we'll see if we can get a little push down over here. Issue is now the retest area is the entry. 100%. 100%. It could be the issue, but it's okay. I mean, you could just hold full stops, but it's just at 1670, you know, it could be a bit like, ugh. That is the only issue. More cells below 1670 question mark. Yeah, the cells could be good, but it's just I want to see how it reacts to this level, because you can see before we reacted off it here. So I just want to be a little bit cautious in terms of holding the full capital, and that's why we're at break even. Not. Oh. Let's take a look here. Do you mean clean candle to the left? Yeah, clean candle to the left means that price likes to fill it nice and quick. So it means that we get a nice drive. So yeah. This rejection candle as well is a good candle that we like to fill. Price likes to fill wicks. So wick fills are a really good indicator to where to get price to. So yeah. So around about 9 pips profit over here. It's obviously not the best R to R, so I really want this to drop further. But pretty much a 0 drawdown trade there, so that was tasty. That was tasty. Make sure you like the stream, guys, if you got into that trade. Beautiful stuff, risk-free. Just got to see if we can get this next little push down. So yeah, the only issue is obviously this top wick, which I think we're not going to stay in, which is unfortunate. So what we mean by that, guys, is that obviously 5 minutes time there's an extra candle coming, and it has to make a top wick, obviously. To the 5 minute, yeah. So I'm out over here. Yeah, couldn't get the push down, but it makes sense, right? 1670 could be a little level that it likes to fake out, as it did to the left hand side. So beautiful. Let me just do this. So there we go, 5 minute close bullish back above and should fill the zone. I got to start that at break even. Yeah, me too, man. So yeah, 1670, it's a big level, right? It's a big level, it's a big psychological level. I gave it a good opportunity on the break of the lows, good profit, 9-10 pips, but if my stop loss is 20 pips, I'm wanting more out of that move, especially when the zone below is pretty clean. And it may just continue down over here, unfortunately, but it's one of them things. It's a 1670, I'm not playing. I'm not playing with with my stop loss still intact there, because I could have easily made a nice low wick, flipped, pushed into the zone. So yeah, see, look at GJ. GJ looks like shit right now, I'm not gonna lie. Let's wait for some nice closures. Yeah, so let's take a look then. 50 minutes closing in 4 minutes time. Yeah. I have a feeling this is gonna nut. Ah, it's a shame. Let's take a look. On the trade, what you guys talking about? So, reflipping and pushing down. This is probably going to be the nut. Do 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 do. Yeah, Andrea, you're right. The retest, man. It's so annoying with that. It's like, my entry's not the fucking retest. But let's see. Zero drawdown is always a dream trade, even if it doesn't work. 100%. 100%. A little bit of zero drawdown. Zero drawdown is beautiful. Oh my god, look at EJ. What the fuck? EJ came out of nowhere. Waiting for the 15-minute closure. Yeah, good idea, good idea. I think if this 5-minute reflips though and breaks, it's probably going to fly back into the zone. And then we've got to wait in this fucking zone again. Yeah, yeah, but no, holding stops was not the best option for me lately, so I'll break it. 100%. 100%. If it goes without us, goes without us. We gave it a nice little try there. Break of the lows. So for people there, that was an impulse trade. That's decent because it has the break of the Asian lows, has the break of the 30-minute lows, break of the hourly lows, and break of the 4-hour lows. So it has that kind of pattern. So yeah. So yeah, watch this nut down. Do 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 do. See how it does. So 50-minute obviously is closing in 2. People may have kept in over here. Yeah, I mean if that reflips, you'll probably be break even again. Are you going to give gold sells another chance if you close below? Yeah, potentially. We'll have to see on the way I want to get in, because that is the area I wanted to get in, unfortunately. Looking like it's probably going to go now. 46 seconds left for this 15 to close. There we go. There's the push. So yeah, I should really get to that wick fill now. Nut boy. So how much would you have got in there then? Yeah, it's still decent enough. Obviously a stop there. So the issue is now is obviously if you're on the 15-minute time frame that you have to also wait for this next fucking top wick. Next top wick. So next candle's closed. Great stuff. So yeah, I mean maybe we'll have to see. We'll see. Because now you can use current stop loss, which is 24 pips, kind of harder, but 5-minute retest is happening right now. How much would stop be there? Might try and get in. Because I could have it there. Current candle. Yeah, I'm going to go for it. So 1660. 1669.5. Stop is going to be 71.68. Okay. Let's take a look then at the 5. 1 sec. Yeah, the retest is there now. Beautiful. So got into a second entry here. The reason is because it's the retest on the 5-minute. We've got a closure below. My stop loss is 19 pips now. Obviously, the current candle has no bottom wick, which is great. So yeah. Yeah, put that on there. Cool, wicked. Hoping to get a retest entry. Yep, that's what I got. So the 5-minute close below retraced into this entry. Great stuff. Let's take a look at GJ. Yeah, GJ is just messing, man. GJ, you are messing, boy. There was no bottom wick. Yeah, and get to that OB level would be bloody gorgeous, mate. Bloody gorgeous, mate. Why do you use the 15-minute candle for stop loss if it's a 5-minute retest? Well, because the 15-minute stop's the safest stop, right? Obviously, you can manage it. I mean, you could use previous 5 as well if you fancied it. But the retest is on the 5. I can see it here. Whereas on the 15, the retest isn't there. So the retest up here has already happened with the 5s. So it's just how to get in on the retests. You can look at the lower time frames, but you use obviously higher time frame stops. So yeah. So looking good. Now push, you prick. Push up. Yeah. Maybe a little bit more. Just push it a little bit more, you little shitbag. Okay. So stop loss to break even. Isn't the 7th of November? Yes, I just can't change it on my Mac for some retarded reason. Yeah, a bit annoying, but anyway. Push! So around about 14 pips in profit. Really, really good work. 0 drawdown. Again, like, fucking hell. Amazing work. Amazing work. Okay, I'm going to go close some here now, guys. I want to take my money. At 1668. Beautiful to fill that wick. Closed 80%. Yeah. Great work, great work. So close 80% right at this level because we're coming towards this wick fill. I've got my trade. This is the second attempt. You know, 16 pips profit. Really, really good work. And then TP2 is going to be all the way down to 1664. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We're back in business, boys and girls. Amazing work. Just took two beautiful trades on gold. Beautiful, nice. Now we've got a nice little runner running all the way down to an OB level below. W's in the chat. Let's get it. So yeah, you know, after, you know, get into this wick fill, great stuff. Hopefully now, let's take a look at the 5 minute. What is the good thing about our trade now? Someone tell me. What could be really good in our favor?
Our entry.
Yeah, our entry is the
top.
Yeah, boy, our entry is the retracement. So if the retracement's there, obviously we don't need to come back and retrace now, so we might be all right for the long run. Yeah. Beautiful work, beautiful work. So a retest entry, all that good stuff. Beautiful, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Amazing work. Get some dubs in the chat. Great work, great work. So yeah, just using pure price action there, get a nice entry, like, you know, zero drawdown on that one pretty much. I think I took like 2 pips maybe. Other one was actually zero drawdown. And yeah, so overall, like pretty much 30 pips in profit already this morning. Obviously that first trade we couldn't continue, but I wanted a bit more out of it, right?
Thanks, Max, for
Alright.
those.
It's alright. Nice for a Monday morning, eh? Nice for a Monday morning.
It's interesting when you look at it on the, like, even on like the 1 minute, it literally kind of like broke. It didn't actually break 1670. Well, it was 1670, but didn't actually get below it, but it kind of just came below and then retested it perfectly.
Yeah.
You look
Well,
back on the 1 minute.
100%. Look at that stinker. But, like, you know, it's the same thing again. It's all just looking at to the left-hand side, you know. Is your trade in an advantageous place if you're in this level? Well, yeah, look, you've got this wick fill, and then you've got this clean candle, and then we're coming down for this OB. So, obviously, I'm not gonna tell you to take it, but if we get here and we maybe react, taking a buy there could be pretty good as well, which I know some of the boys will take, so.
Is that on the 5 minute as well?
Yeah. It's on the 3 minute as well, so you can really minimize it. IC candle as well, yeah. So if you take a look at the 15, you can see there's a gap here. We've filled that gap. So that's actually also why my TP1 was kind of there, because this is the gap that I wanted to fill. But obviously we kind of did that with this wick, but this is, you know, an actual proper candle. Thanks for your analysis, Max. All good, all good. So yeah.
And Max, would you say there's still a gap there at the top of that 15 to come up and retest, or do you reckon that's done it, sort of thing? It didn't kind of quite make it with that whip.
Yeah, I think we're actually not too bad. I think because we've got in there, I think we could be okay. I mean, obviously, so look here, right? So 5 minutes left. This 15's got to make a next top wick. Hopefully it doesn't. I hope it just nuts down, but it's probably likely going to. So. And we're not 100% safe because our entry isn't on the high of this candle. If we got in there, which is our first entry, we'd be fucking safe. But you know, if you're happy taking more off, you could take maybe half your runner off here and then just leave a little bit. It's just all down to you, right? In terms of this area that we can come to, it's still a big zone, 50 pips. So. I plan to go for the 30-minute close, but I think I missed the trade. Yeah, 100%. I think that's just sometimes you just got to go for it, right? If everything's on your side. The reason why I also liked it is my stops are safe here, man. They're in the middle of the zone, and the 4-hour flip there is really protecting me. As beautiful as you, man.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Clean, you know?
Yeah, 100%. Well, see the difference already between last week? You know, it's a big difference when price fucks around. Because the news, right? Well, there's no news this week, so it'll just be like, tasty. But yeah, man, I mean, it's not hard. For people in the chat, you know, this is zone 1, this is zone 2. I wanted a closure below. I got the impulse here because... if you go back to the first trade, I really want people to realize why I took that trade. That first trade, the reason why I took this break of the low there is because of something that I back tested, okay? I'm not just fucking willy-nilly taking this trade. It's because we were breaking Asian lows, we were breaking 30-minute lows, we're breaking hourly previous lows, and we're breaking 4-hour previous lows. Now, people are like, well, that's fucking great, right? But what that means is I went on a backtesting software and I looked at some of the moves that ran quite far, and they all had something in common. They were always breaking a lot of time frame zones, pretty much all of them, including the 4-hour. So knowing that, I was happy taking that impulse trade because of the data that I've been given from those trades. And that's all in the G drive for all the simulations that we've done. If that wasn't breaking any, lows, then I wouldn't have taken that. But because it did, then, I'm happy taking it. It's a shame it couldn't continue, really. But anyway, it doesn't matter. We've got the trade after. I wasn't fucking missing that trade. I'm not going to lie. So, yeah, the 15-minute retrace. Obviously, it's on the 5 that I wanted the retracement. Because this candle's closed below. The retracement onto that level. Great stuff. Stop loss above. Because what does that do? Well, it gives me a better entry. It also means that my stop loss is smaller. It's actually 18 pips, which is great. So 18 pips, close 80% at like 16, 17. So nearly 1.4% overall on that anyway. So I pretty much cleared half of my losses from last week, which is great. Well, even more actually. I have to put some on here. I have to do that. So let's just write this on for the time being. And see if the runner can continue, obviously. Actually, I'll do that later because I have to do the break even as well. It takes time. So 2 minutes left. This candle's going to make a top. Next candle's going to make a top wick. Hopefully we can stay in, and then the runner can continue to our next zone, 1664.4. If you want to be safer, the OB obviously does. Actually, kind of already wicked on that one. Actually, it doesn't matter. I still think this one's pretty. What I'm thinking here is that this 50-minute time frame. This is the candle change before the push, so it actually just started there. But the actual previous candle here tapped it. So interesting. Take a look at the hourly time frames and stuff just to see everything's okay here. Yeah, it's not looking bad. If you want to close more of your runner though, be free to do that as well. Whatever you fancy. I've closed full. Great stuff. Well done. Well done. Great stuff. Oh, look at GJ hitting some lives this morning. Damn. So yeah, I mean it's down to you, right? Because if you're up, as I said here, you got in there, you're up around about 30 pips, right? It's a good zone, obviously. 30 seconds left for this candle. Obviously, the more it pushes down, or the retracement you could be safe in. Yeah. Just be a little cautious of this, but yeah, we'll see. GGGG. Let me just put this back on 1 second. So next candle closing. Look at the top wick. Can you see the top wick aggressive? So you've got to remember that, right? Sometimes it can be quite aggressive. But we'll see. Do you ever trail your stops on runners? Yeah, if it runs down a lot, then yeah, I'll just trail on the previous 30 minutes if I fancy it. Depends how much room I want it to give. I'm just going to quickly go to the toilet, guys. It'll be 2 minutes. Don't miss me.
See you soon.
Yeah. And there we go. It's like Mystic Mike. Look at the top wick. So it's always something to think about in terms of, you know, taking your trades off before the 15 minutes and stuff like that. So yeah, let's take a look at GJ then. So gold's done and dusted. Let's take a look at GJ now. Yeah, it's still fucking hovering around, isn't it?
Max, did you close your full position then?
No, I still got a little bit on.
You still got runners.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did close I did close like a quarter of the runner though at that 15 there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, fucking hell. This is really pushing on.
Yeah, it's got no bottom wick though, it's just how far it pushes up. But anyway, I mean it could magnet back up to 1670, that's the only thing, but I was looking at that. Damn, it's flying. Yeah, flying back up. See if it can hold it. See if it wants to continue. I mean, buys back above if they get a closure above could be interesting as well. If you know what I mean. I do expect this to be bullish though for the rest of the day. But I thought we'd come down to 1664 first. But in terms of the buys, take a look then. Yeah, we'll have to see. We will have to see. So hopefully that's the top wick. Oh yes, come on.
Definitely tap that 15 minute.
Yeah. Yes, it's nice. Look at that 1 minute candle now. Fucking nut. How does a 30-minute current flip look for you? Yeah, 30-minute flip, decent. If you haven't got in before, then yeah, I think it could be reasonable to get some pips out of it. Stop loss would be probably use the 15. 30 pip stops are quite big. Could use current candle though. Yeah. We tested the 3-minute salary perfectly. Let's take a look. Beautiful. Oh my god, yeah. Look at that. Oh, yes. Get down, boy. Your delay is horrendous. Well, can't do much about that. Wi-Fi in Newcastle isn't the best.
Horrendous for me.
Yeah, I think it's YouTube, I think. Break that level, boy. Yeah. Hopefully you can still continue down, that'd be great. But obviously, you know, if you hear you're up 16, 17 pips, you could maybe close half if you're a bit cautious that you want to maximize your profits, right? Maybe look at the 1 minute and see, right, are we nutting down? If this 1 minute maybe closes bullish again, then it might be a bit of a pain. Just always think of ways you can manage. That's a good top wick, so it's a good top wick. So yeah, and then obviously, because you get up early, now you're chilling. Everyone's like, there, I'm trying to get a trade at 8 o'clock. I'm trying to get a trade. Bro, it's 7:30. We just took a nice trade. Chill, boy. And if this fucking runner works out, which I really, really want it to. But if you start hovering around there, then I will start to manage my runner in terms of taking more off. Like maybe there. Almiron is on form, 100%. My god, steaming. Making some support. I mean, if you take a look at the hourly, there's a little OB down there to hit to, but let's take a look at GJ, nothing. EJ fucking around, so JPY pairs looking a little bit sus, but that's why we just look at gold. That's why we just look at gold. So if you guys haven't liked the stream yet, make sure you like the stream. Over 200 people here. Make sure to like the hell out of the stream. We're here every single morning, obviously very early now, so there's no excuses.
Morning, Max.
Morning, boy. How you doing?
Good. Just closed couple trades already.
Yeah, boy. Oh yeah. Couple trades.
Yeah, couple trades in the night. Euro US, GBP US.
Nice.
AUD USD. Not bad.
Yeah, not bad,
20 pips.
Not bad. So in terms
What
of
do you think about gold? Go to 60.56.
Nah, 1664. I think we're too bullish, to be honest. I think this may even be the support that's gonna hold. We'll have to see.
I'm just waiting for buy.
Yeah, boy.
I just waiting. You think she's 64? No.
Yeah, 16.4 for the sells until gold gets there, and then maybe a buy there because there's an OB, there's an order block there, which could be quite nice.
Go running. I think this week he go run to 70.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Good idea. I'm watching the all night. I say if he break the 60.71, I sell.
Interesting. For me, I don't need to, man. I got a better entry, boy. GJ, what the fuck, yeah.
Too late right now to enter and goal, no, Max?
Yeah, I mean, 30 minutes, so if you got here, stop loss would be there. 20 pips. It could be okay. But I think you've missed the move, really. Yeah. Right, I might close more of this fucking runner because we keep on hovering around this fucking area. Take a look at the 15-minute time frame. 4 minutes left. We'll see. Yeah, I'm going to close the I've closed the half of the runner here. Told everyone else in the chat to do half the runner. Just the 1 minute's holding the level. It should have really broken then, it didn't. So I closed half of the runner there at like 18, 17 pips. So that's pretty good. And now I don't feel too bad if we come up because I just think that we should have really pushed further down now. Any idea when Brian and the boys are coming back? They're just doing their own thing, man. They're just chilling about. You need to think of it in terms of them. Like, if they're in a chat where everyone else is new and trying to learn, and I'm teaching how people how to trade, like, you know, at the start, they've got nothing really to look into because they already know it. There's no point. Whereas they'll be talking about OBs, they'll be talking about indecision candles. So I'd do the same, you know. Happens all the time though. Like, people, you know, if you stay in one place, you know, for example, I have to talk over because obviously it's my thing, and then they won't be able to speak much. Whereas if they're on a Zoom themselves, they can talk about other things, you know. Whereas I'm teaching the whole group the whole strategies where they can look at other things, etc., etc. It's just how it is. So GJ 50-minute broke the previous low, good stuff. But yeah, the price action looks rather shit, eh? Rather shitto. Major W on gold, max. Both entries were source. Yeah, man, the entries were good, eh? The entries are good, eh? I really want this to come to my level because I might actually take a buy down there, I'm not going to lie. What lot size did you use for this trade, Max? 100 million lot. Trading is getting very depressing for me for the 4th time. It just hit me right on break even and ran. Did you get The fourth time? Well, the fourth time is quite a lot of times. I'm on the consolidation, don't know what to do. You've just answered your question, brother. You've just answered your question. I am on the consolidation, don't know what to do. Well, you just told me it's consolidating, so do you know what you need to do? Stop trading. If you know price is ranging and you're trying to take a buy or sell, then it's clearly going to be a bit of an issue, isn't it? So there's your answer. Is daylight saving now? Yeah, I think US has gone back now. Oh yes. Can you explain how to draw your OBs? I'll just send you a YouTube. The guy is really, really good at explaining it. This guy. To get the easiest one, I'll do this one. Copy link address. Here we go. How the fuck can I put this? Oh shit, I'm on the wrong device. I'll do it in a second. One sec. Actually, I can't even do it there. Well, you know what it is. Damien Capital. Just go on there and just do that one. It's pretty good. So still in, but yeah, I closed half my runner, so that is okay. 15-minute series play. Yeah, I mean, it's going to close a bit too strong, right? 36 seconds left. This candle's going to close maybe too strong. If it closed weak like down there, then yeah, for sure you could probably go for it. Maybe. Maybe. But yeah. So start of the day, I mark my zones out, I wanted sells below. I got my sells below for the first time. Second time also getting the retrace. Perfect. That's what you want to do. In and out, and then you can enjoy your day. Obviously we do NY as well, but that's the process, right? So 50-minute close bullish. 30 minutes still got no bottom wick, so hopefully we can save this runner because there's no bottom wick, but I don't know about it. It seems to be, it needs to have some big bearish candles coming in over here. Sorry, which video is that? It's Damien Capital, and it's called Only 3 Order Blocks You Need to Know. And it just tells you them.
Hey Max,
Hello?
What do you think about GBP USD? You think it's go down?
Let's take a look. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of hard because there's a massive gap there. Let's take a look at the 4 hour.
I closed already, but
I mean, yeah, did you close right here?
yeah.
Yeah, that's good. You're at 1.13 psychological level, and there's also support to the left. So I think that's fair. I think the zone below isn't really the nicest. So
I open up there in the 13,400.
30. Oh, comes back. What, is that when you got in?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, that was a nice move, eh?
And I take this.
Very nice. So, I can start to write actually these things if I can. So here, just to put you into some perspective, guys, because yes, last week was quite hard, but that's fine as long as I manage risk. And the reason is because of this, right? So let's just go and do this. So 702. 1 second. Oh, view only. What the fuck? Oh, it's because I'm on a different. That one. Okay, so here we'll go through this. This is 702. 7. We took a gold sell. There's a breakout. It was on the break of the previous high or low on all the time frames. I could just do 30-minute stop loss was 20 pips. It was full at 0. Unfortunately, we got to around about 9 pips profit and then didn't work out. And then we took this one. sell. It was a breakout. It was the retest. Retest actually on the 5. Stop loss was 17 pips. Closed 80% at around about 16, I think. And then obviously half my runner was also at 16, so it's kind of the same thing. And then I've obviously got this last bit, which is probably going to get hit out of here. It's going to be probably about 15, 16. So yeah, probably like a 1.2% gain. So let's just say that we got close to full. Let's just say that this one, we got a total of 15. So in terms of obviously the percentages, be that much nicer. Pretty much already unprofitable. Obviously, we took the news trades as well, so I'm actually looking pretty good now. And yeah, so can you see how hard that is? It looks 2 winners, 4 losers, and pretty much a break even. That's how it's meant to be. And obviously we took the news trades and stuff, and yeah, so looking pretty good already. Looking like this little half a runner ain't gonna continue though, unfortunately, but that's what it is. So broken the previous high, looking like it's gonna continue. So yeah, you gotta wait for maybe some buys over here. Obviously this zone's gonna be interesting if it creates a closure above 1670. So yeah, we'll have to see with that. Oh my god, hopefully that's the top wick. I doubt it though. Push down, you prick. Need to make that 30-minute bottom wick. Yeah, so, you know, when I start seeing GJ do this, man, I am just backing off. Just seeing the score. 50-minute actually did close below, but my god, the candles look a bit madden, say.
Hey, Max, you don't think it's a good rejection, like for the week? And now they start go up.
Ah, like gold making the lower wick?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. I think it's good, but I think
Because he
before
go
you
down the all Asia section.
I think that this is the lower wick of the daily. If we do come back above 1670, then yeah, the buys could be quite nice. But right now, we don't know yet because it's still below it. But I think if once we come back above 1670, yeah, it's gonna be good for buys maybe. Yeah.
Okay.
If
Perfect.
So yeah, I think the buys could be quite nice later on. Can I try this week here? Yeah, it's just quite hard because there's just no trend line I can really probably go for. Has anyone got one? Like I got that, but it's okay, I suppose. We'll see. It's okay. Come on, Goldie, keep me in, please. For the runner. Sell GJ and go to sleep. Oh, wow. Sell GJ. I don't know GJ because the 4-hour time frame still looks okay, really. I mean, obviously, the thing is, right, is actually we've got a big push down. This is obviously untested, so I actually think we could probably get to there, but then the sells could be quite nice later on. I think it's got a little way to push up first, but if there's some resistance that forms, it could still be interesting. Oh, so 9 minutes left for this 8 o'clock candle. We'll have to see what it gives us. I really want this candle to stay in because the 8 o'clock will drive it down if we do the reject, but I don't know if we're going to stay on. We'll have to see. Right, I'm going to quickly go brush my teeth because I feel fucking furious shit. I hate the feeling of not brushing my teeth, so it'll be 2 minutes. Oh. Okay, we might have been saved by the bell. Let's take a look. How long is he streaming for? Streams usually start 7 to 9. Now is starting a bit earlier, around 6 till 9. Yeah. 5:50. I think very much. So obviously London Open in 5 minutes. Hopefully that runner can continue, but whatever, right? I don't really care. I've got my profits now. 1 year and a half streaming. Yeah, I started streaming like July last year, so yeah, nearly a year and a half for me. Damn. It's a long time. Long time. Dude, have you ever used smart money concepts? Yep, I'm going through them now. And they seem to be pretty good as long as you get a nice one. I mean, the GJ ones, I think it was on the last day yesterday. Yeah, I think it was yesterday. There was so many nice trades. There was one up there. That one there, sell. And then there's obviously a closure below. There's also an hourly, I think it was an hourly celery play, and then there was an OB there, which kind of already kind of retraced there, but yeah, it's kind of one. So 3 minutes left. So I really hope that this can hold, but if you take a look at the 5 minute, it's not guaranteed yet, and the 1 minute we're still holding support, so whatever. Has GJ actually done anything yet? No, GJ looks like garbage, so I will not be rushing to take any trades on GJ at the moment. 30 minutes starting on gold for open looks interesting. Yeah, potentially, eh? So your stop loss would be like 20 pips or something. Yeah, I think that could be reasonable, right? So people in the chat, people are looking for maybe a celery play. So if this candle closes, then break the previous low there, could be quite nice to continue still back down. Yeah, that could be good. Yeah, oh my God, it's fucking freezing in this room. Let me just put a heater on again. Why is it fucking cold? Put that bitch on. 19 degrees. Hell no. Fucking 22 degrees. It's freezing. Take a look. Be aware of the potential 1 hour top wick in 1 minute. Yeah, but no other confirmation. Low time only interest in same London volume. Yeah. One of them things. Why, Max? Why are you not streaming from usual? Because I'm just in Newcastle for a night. I'll be back in Leeds tomorrow. It's looking good, looking good. So 30 minutes gonna close. 30 minutes gonna close. And yeah, maybe the break of the low. Maybe. He's wearing a hoodie. Okay, so 8 o'clock's opened. Obviously my trade's still in, which is great, and hopefully yours is as well. Obviously the hourly closed bearish. That's great below. Yeah, if it breaks that 50-minute low, it could be good to get a nice little push again. Stop loss would be 23 pips. I'm not going to do it. I've already got my trade and it's been fucking around that area. But it's great for my runner to continue, right? Get down, runner. Get down, 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 down. 1664.4. But it's a nice salary, I suppose. Yeah, it's just I think the reason is I know that for the most part when gold, I mean obviously it was a bit of news, but for the most part when gold pushes, right, it pushes up and then it comes down, and it's some area in here it finds support, and obviously I think it's going to be the OB down there, but it's somewhere in there finds support. And if I've got my entry for the break there, I've got my nice push, and then my runner can do the damage. And my only cause of concern is there is going to be a level here, somewhere in this area, maybe there, maybe the OB, that I will make some support to continue back bullish up, and I don't want to get trapped in that. But in terms of, 8 o'clock volume as well, I still think it's a reasonable thing to get a push. You just got to manage risk. So there we go, right? Breaking the lows right now. See if we can get a nice little drive for people who'd want to get in maybe a little bit later. But as I said, I'm staying out of it. I want my runner to do the damage now. Do the damage, runner. Do the damage. Let me just check some.
Nice trade, big boss.
Thank you, thank you. Did you not get in a little? Hey, you missed.
No, I save budget.
You're too asleep. You need to wake up earlier.
I have 2 kids now. I need to bring home school.
Yeah, it's busy time, eh? Busy. So there we go, looking like it's rejecting. I really want this to push my runner, boy. Okay, let's take a look at GJ, right? We've been on gold for a while now. 50-minute close bullish back above, great. Looked like I made the retest and then it's pushed back in the zone. The zone obviously is clearly pretty small and pretty choppy, so but 13 pips push into the zone, interesting. But as I say, for me personally here, I want this GJ to come much higher. I believe 167, 100. That would be much easier for us. Yeah. Make sure you like the stream, guys. 92 likes. Let's try and get up to that. We've had 2 trades called out, 0 drawdown, pretty much both of them. So let's see if EJ's doing anything. Also, let's check the news as well. Yeah, looking like EJ finally pushed the resistance, but it took its time and it was shit price action. So that's another day of EJ putting me off. Why? Well, 8:40 Euro news. 9:30 Euro news, all day Euro group meeting. So in terms of wanting to take a trade in this time, probably not the best because of all the news. In terms of that salary play as well, on my terminal there was no top wick. So yeah, that wouldn't have been a good decision anyway. Looking nice for tracing again. Yeah, it's definitely holding support, I think, now. Look at that lower wick. So yeah, I might close everything here. Yeah, I'm gonna close everything. So I've closed everything here because right, so I closed back when it reflipped, because the issue you have here is we've just broken the low. We should really continue if you really wanted to there. We've just retraced and rejected the low. That's not a good look. So, yeah. Also a little bit of a 5-minute OB down there. Interesting. So yeah, it's just how to get the most out of your pips, boy. Can I write something on the OB thing? Let's take a look. What's that fucking noise? Oh my god. Oh well. So yeah, I always say this, for me there, I want to make the most of my runner. If I don't think the runner's going to continue, then I'm going to close it in some profit, man. There's no point in holding it on. No point. So there we go, GJ playing with people again for like the 4th, 5th, 7th time. If you guys, as I've always said, If it looks too good, sorry, if it looks too bad and you've already had troubles getting break-evens, then just leave it alone. Leave it alone. Oh yeah. Oh, Roger took the same trade, I think. Where did he take it? Where the fuck did he take it? Oh. Yeah, he took the celery. He took the break of the low here. He held his stops though. That's fair. That's fair. I did think that is a Roger play, I'm not gonna lie. Beautiful. Break of the lows. Gorgeous. Took the 30-minute celery play? Yeah, beautiful. That's pretty much what you took, eh? That's what we took as well. Just couldn't continue the time we wanted it to. Really nice start to the week. 2 entries in gold, 1 impulse, another retest, 0 drawdown, clean range equals great clean price action. Yes. Oh, yes. Now it seems to be raining a little bit, same with GGA, so we gotta relax a little bit. But that's the whole part of trading. The reason why I liked watching Raja and why I learned from him is because you just do your charts in the morning, see where you want areas, wait until it comes, take it, and then just leave and go about your day. So you have all day doing other stuff. And that's the whole process of it, right? You could take trades. Obviously, NY session will look for some more, but for the most part, it's just, yeah, it's nice. Take your trade and go. Take your trade and leave. Oh, God. But getting up early is a madness, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, looking like we have made support. Look at the double bottom over here. This is a nice W formation for people looking at it. See the 5-minute time frame. This comes and retest there, stop loss below. Could be quite nice. So see you in 2 minutes time. And that'll be Collins breaking 30-minute highs, 50-minute highs, all that good stuff. So could be interesting. How big would the stops be? 20 pips again. Could be something to look for. And that'll be with confidence of the support forming, all that good stuff. So yeah.
You close already full, Max?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, scary one.
You what?
No. But I want to take
You want to take what?
the buy.
Yeah, well, go for it. Maybe in 40 seconds time. This makes a little wick to retest there, the neckline. It could be nice.
It's like a 20 pips.
Yeah.
Stop loss 25.
Yeah. Could be nice. I want to see this candle close strong though. Hopefully a nice retest. Nice push. Nice push. Oh, Lord, no. It was a fucking 3-minute. So just what I was talking about, guys. Obviously, it can happen on the 3-minute as well. This is kind of a hard one, but it's W there, closure above, retest there, take the buy, stop loss below. Yeah, fuck, missed it. Ah, that's a pain in the ass.
What do you wanna do?
The W formation, I've already missed it. This is the retracement. This is stop loss. There's the trades. Bob's your uncle. And then you could actually run this the whole way up. Fuck! I wanted it on the 5. I didn't really look at the 3. So there we go. Beautiful stuff already. So I'll just go through this because people might not get this, but it's all in the webinars. This is a W formation. So if you're at a support and you know you're at a support and price makes a double bottom, so like there, normally if you get a closure above the neckline, which is this here, and you get the retracement, taking a buy there with stop loss below is great for a buy. And that's exactly what it's just done. Beautiful.
It's too late already, no, Max?
Yeah, too late. You missed it. I was waiting on the 5 for the 5 to close and then make the low wick, but the 3-minute already did it. Perfect.
I think I wait till he go to the top like 80.
Yep.
Buy for 70.
Yep. So in terms of here, guys, right, if your stop loss there is 14 pips, obviously you got your 1-to-1, you could take some off, but realistically, if this continues over here and you've got such a nice lower entry, man, this can be the trade to hold all the way to 1675 at least. Beautiful. Obviously, you'd be break even there because you are coming towards an area that I could reject, but because we obviously we've tried to reject it like 4 times, we should break it now. Should break it, come above the Asian, swoop in the Asian lows, so this should be a rocket. Because found its support. So really good work in terms of just breaking down gold this morning. Talk about the sells, talk about when support happens, what we're going to do there, the buys. Fucking beautiful. Fucking beautiful, mate. Oh, wow. GJ, getting some volume in over here. Very nice. Obviously, don't get too happy, though, because you are at 167 right there, which could be a level that it struggles at. But, yeah. Look at Goldie. This is going to be the trade of the morning. I'll tell you that right now. Stops are safe. Bloody gorgeous.
Hey, Max, what is the zoom?
What?
What is the zone right now that you need to wait for? Take a long way.
1675 was there.
75 is the better confirmation, no?
Yeah.
But we need to wait like a little reject.
No, we've already got the rejection down here, so I think if it comes above 1675, you're good up. It's clean as well.
Because yesterday in the night, I put like, if he break the 68.4, I buy. If he break the 67.1, I sell. But just...
Well, the 1671 was good, yeah. Sell down to 1667, good stuff. But yeah, I think the buys of 1682 would be nice, but I think the buys of 1675 would be nice as well, because there's clean candles here. This will move up quick if you get it there. So I think it's all good. All good. Let's take a look then. So yeah, I missed that move, man. It's annoying, but all the way up to 1675, and then obviously above would be clean as well. And because your entry isn't even in the zone, can you see that your entry, if this is zone 1, this is zone 2, zone 3, your entry is in zone 1. So it's going to fill the whole of zone 2 here. So yeah, bloody gorgeous. And if you take a look at the G drive, 1 second. One second, Joey boy, I'll take a look in a sec. Might not be on there yet, but it's definitely on the sit-ups, I think. Yeah, here we go. There's a W formation. I would like to see closure above, retest right there, and then you're good. I did a webinar on it as well, but I don't think I've uploaded it this week. Okay, so 50-minute closed above, great stuff. Very, very nice. This should continue. So this is one where, to be honest with you, if I got into this W trade, this is one that you gotta hold, man, because your entry's so nice. Like already there, 20 pips with a 13 pip stop or something. 60 pips you're gonna probably get quite easily here, to be honest with you. How many pips did you win today? What about stop loss, Max? You'd put it here, so if you got in on the 3, you could have it there. Yeah. Could have it on the low of the low if you wanted, but it depends. It's all really safe here, to be honest.
30 pips.
What?
30 pips.
What is?
Stop loss.
Not on this one, no. It's only 16, 17. So
Break, no?
breaking the trend line too, so yeah, what a stinker. So this is normally a Brian trade. This is when sometimes we'll take the sells, we wait for this structure to come, and obviously, as you can see, it's a swoop of the Asian lows as well. It's perfect. It's bloody gorgeous. There's your 30 pips. At the 4-hour flip, that's probably a good level to take some off because it's flipping the 4-hour. I think that's probably quite a good region to take some off there. 30 pips with a 16 pip stop, good stuff. And then obviously you can come higher if you fancy it. Oh, GJ. Damn. "12 minutes left. 12 minutes left. Look at GJ. Yeah, it's pushing nicely. No bottom wick on the 15. So gotta be a little bit careful there. The hourly looks good, finally pushed off, but can you see though, like playing all this crap, now it's finally launching, beautiful. Same with gold. Gold, baby, go gold, gold. Okay, let's take a look at Joe's chart over here. Looking at some signs of rejection, maybe a fake out of the trend line or a lack of closure above the trend line, 5-minute OB. The only issue is, isn't that candle already tapped into it, like the one after it?
You know what is my opinion about gold? The last week he closed a very long candle. And I don't think he already make the reject like 20%. He don't have power to make 50% reject.
Yeah, and
I
also
believe he changed position. Now he just try to make power to go up.
I agree, because look here, look at the support we've held. It just made the low wick there. So yeah, it looks good to continue, man. Oh, look at that rocket, my god. Fucking stupid 3-minute time frame. I need to put it closer to the 5-minute. How can I do that? I want to align them so the 3 minutes right next to the 5, so I remember to fucking touch it. Because that was a stinker. So there we go. Buys above 1675. We're looking good to continue further. And yeah, we'll see you in this GJ. First trade of the week, buys and gold, 13 pips, closed full. Very nice. I don't know why you closed full though. Depends what your entry was, to be fair. But if you're getting in down there, you've got to know the situation you're in and how you should hold. Because it's, as I said before, it's swooping the Asian lows, it's rejecting a support that's held twice. So yeah. Very, very important. Because then when you start knowing when to get in and where to hold, my god, the trades are much better. Because you can hold them on for longer. Like that one there, just fill this whole zone. Beautiful. Max, make it a favorite. How do I do that? How do I do that? I'm trying to like right click on it. No, it was good though, Joey. I could still see it though, 100%. Look at the 5. My only cause of concern is that wick's already wicked into it when it closed below, like broke the structure, wicked into it. That's my only issue. Whereas like one there, I can see it, nothing wicked back into it yet. So that one's still valid all the way up there actually. I might put that one on. Maybe. Oh, there's star. Ah, sick. I got it now. I have to leave for work now. Not comfortable leaving trades open. Quite new to trading. That's great, man. I think if you go to work, you shouldn't be in any trades unless they're at break even. You've got a runner. Apart from that, don't even do that because I'll tell you right now, it's a pain in the ass. That's what I used to do. If you're at work, you're at work. You can't trade while you're at work. Like you can't look at the chart, and if you do, you have to go to the toilet every fucking 15 minutes. Doesn't work. It's useless. Just find the times you can trade and then leave it alone. But right now, if you can go to work now and you've had this whole time before trade, then great, man. You've just taken some beautiful W's. If I just took that last one with the 3 minute there, that would have been a fucking beautiful one. Yeah. In terms of getting into this zone now, it's quite hard, right? Because realistically, you want to get in like in this area. You want to get in when it's closed above. So that closure above there, you might have been able to have done. Stop loss below is quite big though, unfortunately. So you have to use like maybe 5 minute candles. Daily and weekly flip on the way. So GJ, 50-minute closing and 7 minutes left. It's obviously at 167, but it's pushed above it. And then you've got to go to yourself, right. My only cause of concern is the sells are probably looking a little bit better today. Because the candle over here for me, it just looks like it's making a top wick. Probably couldn't tap this OB, so I'd rather take the sell there and to nut back down. Because realistically it needs a retest there. So the zone's big enough for buys, you just feel that sometimes it might not even get to that level, right? Because it's so bearish. 4 hours really helpful in GJ, 50 pips in GJ, very nice. Yeah, the 4 hours was good. It did break the low of the previous though, however, it did fuck around for hours. Hours on end. So I think I've got 92 likes already. Make sure you like the stream, guys. If you haven't already, let's get 100 likes.
Where, in the YouTube?
Yeah, boy.
Send me the link.
What was I gonna do? Oh yeah.
No, I found. I go to YouTube, I just put stop loss, correct?
Yeah, boy. Oh, look at that EJ rejection. Look at that rejection. So yeah, I was thinking. Yeah, actually, I'm not going to say it until I actually introduce it. There's no point thinking about it.
Boy. Oh, that EJ rejection.
Can hear him stop loss. Can hear his YouTube on. So yeah, beautiful, man. Really, really good work there. So in terms of token, obviously there wasn't really been much with GJ really here. I'm not really too much of a fan of it. But in terms of gold, we talked about the sells below, talked about the levels that it could reject off. Obviously the wick there retraced to, which is great. We took our sells there, amazing profit. And then obviously we talk about this 3 minute, which I had about a second to realize it was happening, and I only looked at the fucking 5 minute. But the 3 minute, it did close above the neckline and retraced, and that one was a beautiful trade. So 3 trade ideas, 3 winning trade ideas as well. Great stuff. Great stuff. So yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know about these buys on GG. I might just wait for the sells later on, because like look at these pullbacks. Like they're quite big pullbacks. Like just one candle nutting down. I'd rather just wait for the sells later on. So how am I going to do the sells later on? I'm either going to wait for candles to come up at this level, reject, close back below 167, and then fill the zone. Or I'm going to wait for take maybe an OB trade up here. Yeah. Right, let's do a little Wordle game, because there's nothing much I want to look at anymore, really. We'll see, but
Okay, Max.
What?
I make everything. I follow, I put like, I text, send message. What you want?
Just like, boy. Okay, let's just go to this. Let's do a little brain training. Wow, that one's hard for this morning. Shit. Okay. We'll do I know it doesn't have an RM, but anyway, let's just do some fun ones. Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh my god, it's a lot of words missing already. My days. Let's take a look at them just to see. Yeah, fucking hell, your stop loss is going to be pretty big on GG. Shit. Oh my god. I can't find any more. Oh my god, all of them have gone. Click, maybe? Holy. How many words left? What can I even make? There's no vowels left. Are these green or yellow, guys? Are these green or yellow? I think they're meant to be yellow, but they look so fucking green to me. Okay, they're yellow, so they're not in the right place. So yeah, like, so in terms of just explaining this as well, right? So if you got into this trade, the reason why I think it's a good level for you to hold on more and you might have a good trade is because the zone above's quite clean in terms of the 15 minute. The higher time frames look good to flip if they do, and then you've got a massive clean zone above. Also, you've got to think that the zone that you've pushed into, because you've got such a nice low entry, what can happen now is you can be like, right, okay, great, I've taken some runner off my 4-hour flip, and now I've got a little runner, and obviously you can have this time for this to fuck around. It can maybe make some support there, etc, etc, and then it can maybe blast off. But because your entry's so low, you're just very safe, which is great news. Great news. Hello, hey, nice trade today, buddy. Max the Manchester. Max Big Boss, your team is only good traders. Hi Max, is Goldie bouncing off a 5-minute OB right now? This one here. This already came in. This one here has already came and been touched by that candle there and that candle there nearly. But that candle there is the one that touched it. It's already been mitigated, so it can't have any touches before it. Yeah. So 15-minute close bullish, 1673. Great stuff, right in the middle of the zone. So this is when it might fuck around, or it might just break it, right? And if it does so, then wow, we're going to get some nice buys above maybe. If we can get there. If we can get there. So yeah, we'll be doing the NY session later on. We're going to start simulations and homework all tomorrow. So if you guys do want to join the mentorship, the link is in there. A lot of people sign up this weekend as well. So you'll be with a bunch of new people. So yeah, we start NY session normally 12 o'clock. But I'm also looking at the chart throughout the day in that time, like before that time. And obviously all the signals are all included, all that kind of stuff. So yeah. Do you only take 5-minute OB entries also on 15:30 if you see them? 15 and 30 as well that I'm looking at. I'm obviously not teaching it because I'm still learning it myself, but 15 and 30, it depends on how much I want my stop. I don't want a big stop really, so I'll just minimize it on lower time frames.
Hey, but you don't want to wait for that one?
Wait, what?
Fucking go jump like to the moon, baby.
Hey, gold's gonna continue bullish, yeah. Going to the moon, brother.
You think?
I have a break 1675, like I said 2 hours ago. I think it should be good, but it's still in this zone, right? It's still in this zone 1. And this zone 2, this zone 3. So it needs to break above zone 1 to get to zone 3 first. So it's got a while, but if it does break it, then it will.
All right.
GJ, oh, look at GJ there. No lower wick. Nasty. Right, look, he's got 2 iPhones on. Let me read that one. Let's take a look here. GJ, what the fuck? Look at that trade. No bottom wicks, just a fucking racket. Look at the 5-minute time frames as well. Oh, kind of hard. Let's take a look a little bit lower down. I like this level here. Rejected off. That was pretty good, but for the most part, it was kind of hard. Look at that GJ, man. Oh. Okay, good though. But as long as it does this, I mean, look at the gaps below to come retest later on to maybe make some support forming. Great stuff. But yeah, looking like rocket off. Maxi, did you take any trades? Yes, took 2 gold trades, gold sells, and they both, one went 9 pips, one went 30 pips, so nice profits, which is good.
Maxi, what time's New York going to start today then?
12.
12 now.
Yeah, because it's gone back to normal now.
Okay. Nice one.
Yeah, we'll go 12.
Nice one.
But yeah, I'm so annoyed I missed that fucking W there.
Yeah, because my platform, I wasn't looking at TradingView, only does the 5 and the 1.
Really? What, your platform only does a 5 and the 1?
Well, no, not only that, but I'm saying it doesn't do the 3 or the 2.
Oh, shit, okay, yeah.
It obviously does the 15 and the 30 and everything else, but I'm just saying,
doesn't have
it's
3.
like...
You said your terminal doesn't?
Huh?
Your terminal doesn't?
No, the platform that I'm on, that I trade on.
Do you not trade in
Are you on a
5?
Huh?
Yeah, mine don't have 3 minutes shoot, just have 1.
Are you guys on MetaTrader?
Yeah.
No.
Okay, Paul, you're not.
I'm still trading with XTB, and then obviously I use TradingView.
Oh, you trade on TradingView.
I need to change my setup at some point and get like a PC, get MetaTrader, and get, because I can see the value of Magic Keys.
Yeah.
And just being able to like close and move stop to break even in one fucking press.
Yeah, man. Yeah, boy.
It does help.
It does a lot.
How I put 1 minute in the MetaTrade?
I forgot what the button was. What was the button you had to...
So on your terminal,
Yeah.
do you have the time frames at the top?
Yeah, I have.
Right click on it. and then
Okay.
customize.
All right, thank you. I got you. Easy way.
Easy, easy. Doo-doo-doo. Oh, I saw the Arsenal game. Wow, man. Arsenal doing well. Fucking Aubameyang, that was funny. So yeah, I think now that's a great little push-up for Goldie. GJ, no bottom wicks. Obviously, look, there's loads of gaps here. I think there was. Yeah, can you see that this is all gaps? It's just filled it completely. Well, that's what happens, right? So, good stuff. No re-entries any for us there. EJs look like shit as usual. And yeah, Goldie looking like it's in this zone now. So I think I might leave off over here, guys. Did a nice morning. It's 8:35 now. I feel later on the trades will be good. I'm gonna have a little alert above 1675 for buys later on. And GJ, all I gotta wait for GJ is price to make a support, and then we'll continue buy it back up. That's what I could probably do on GJ. And in terms of gold, as I said, closure above would be nice above there. If not, then I'll wait a little bit higher up to make some support on it. But yeah, yep, really nice being back to normal hour. Yeah, 100%. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on. I'll see you guys later. This is all recorded as well on Zoom, which is great. And yeah, peace out, man.
Yeah,
see you later,
buddy.
guys.
Later, mates.
See you later, guys. Peace out. Peace out. Adios. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. See you later, guys. Peace out. Oh, Lord. This is not going to let me fucking delete it, is it? What's it asking for? What are you wanting, boy? Lord. Let me just go in here if I can. See you later, alligator. See if I can get out of here. There we go. Control room. Beautiful stuff. See you guys later, man. Peace out.